welcome to minizoo. How are you guys? Hope you're always good. Today, I'll show you some cute, wild, and rare animals. But before the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Now, let's look at this. There are many animals. And now, we will counting the animals here. Let's counting from the right. Yes, in the right is zebra. And between zebra and the animals is cheetah. And in the left is tiger. So let's counting from the zebra. 1 zebra, 2 zebra, and 3 zebra. Oops, I'm sorry. And then let's counting the cheetah. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then let's counting the tiger. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tigers. And let's counting all the animals here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There are 12 animals. So, how many zebras here? Let's counting. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 zebras. So, let's counting the cheetah. How many cheetah here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 cheetah. And now, let's counting the tiger. How many tiger here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 tiger. Let's remember again. How many animal here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There are 12 animals. Okay, hope you like this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video. Goodbye.